Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients first. Use 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8-inch round pan with butter, then line with parchment for easy release. Sift the flour, baking powder, and salt into a bowl to aerate. Keep the liquids together in another bowl. This setup speeds mixing and whisk the 3 eggs with 1/2 cup sugar until pale and slightly thickened, about 2 to 3 minutes by hand or 1 minute with a mixer. Do not overbeat. Fold the sifted dry mix gently into the eggs using a spatula, alternating with 1/4 cup milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla to keep batter light. Pour batter into the prepared 8-inch pan and bake at 350 degrees F for about 20 minutes. Remove the cake when the center still jiggles slightly to create the signature floppy cake texture, not fully set. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 30 minutes to settle the crumb, then transfer to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to complete the floppy set, chilling firm's edges while keeping a soft center. To serve, run a thin knife around the pan, invert onto a plate, and top with whipped cream, fresh berries, or a light drizzle of chocolate sauce for contrast. Store leftovers covered in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, and slice with a wet knife for clean pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.